also without your commands. This is normal for patient to breathe, and he can do it without your commands. It's absolutely wrong to make these commands. You disturb yourself and you disturb the patient because he can understand what's up. So the patient is breathing as normal, no, not normal, deeply, but through the nose. Through the nose. And you begin auscultation. At every point, at least 2 breathing cycles. Symmetrical, please. First intercostal space. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. No auscultation of the heart. Then lateral, please do so. And so on. Points. А? Да, мы сейчас просто аскультируем без полов. So, the points on the lateral surface. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every time choosing sides. Points on the back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You know, it is not a big trouble if you will do 4 points instead of 3, or maybe 3 points instead of 4. But you have to auscultate the whole surface of the lung. So it's not absolutely important to do these points, but absolutely important is to cover the full surface and to use symmetrical spaces, the symmetrical places. Understand? So, and by auscultation, firstly you evaluate general breathing sound, like vesicular or pathological bronchial or weak vesicular or saccading breathing or I don't know, bronchovesicular or hard breathing by bronchitis.